For the song, It Doesn't Matter at All. I am so surprised to know that American actress Valerie Bertinelli, who played the role of Barbara Cooper on the family sitcom One Day at a Time, never appeared in the video with British band 10cc, just the band alone without her in the original video. So I created the official montage fan-made music video of her as the second music video version, who played the role of Kathy Wakeman, and David Carroll, who played the role of Chuck Wakeman, taken from a TV drama movie made from 1980, The Promise of Love, from my VideoPad video editor. So here is the video of that song with Valerie Bertinelli with relevant scenes taken from the TV drama movie from 1980, The Promise of Love.
I can't yell at my mother. It wouldn't do any good because she wouldn't listen. I'm just going to have to prove myself for the next 10 years. If she's anything like my grandmother, I know it's going to take the next 50 years. But it was a good dinner, wasn't it?
Kathy.
You know, when we get our own house, I want to have a barbecue, and then we can invite the whole neighborhood. What?
I got my orders. Numb. 10 days. Come on, loosen up. You don't want to spoil the time until I go, do you? Kathy, I'm not doing this because I want to. And you're not making it any easier for me.
Who said I had to make it easy?
Well,
I don't want you to go.
Nothing is going to happen to me.
Promise?
Promise.
Hey, you've been hanging on to a dream, hoping that time will turn your fear away. But you must stop, take a look around you. What do you see? Do you see me? People say that I'm crazy. People call me a fool. They got no business to talk. They got no reason at all. I'll take a chance with you, baby. It doesn't matter at all. It doesn't matter at all. It doesn't matter at all. Hey, you're living in a world where reason is a waste of time. Nobody talking. The atmosphere is cold, touching you deeply, way down inside you. Do you want to be loved? Say you want to be loved. Ooh, people say that I'm crazy. People call me
Say no.
No, I'm not that hungry.
That's what I like to hear. Do you want some juice? Say yes.
Yes. Would you call my mother this morning? I want to set up a dinner before I leave.
Let's not talk about it. Not this morning.
Kathy, we have to be realistic.
No, we don't. You do maybe, but not me.
Kathy, I'm leaving in a couple of days.
Don't you know what sh means? Could you do me a favor? Pack in private.
Have it your way. Yeah, I'll have some bacon.
I was afraid you'd say that. But you don't have time.
Do I want cold cereal?
Yes, you do.
Great. Just like Mother used to open.